Have you ever wondered why restaurant schnitzel is always perfectly crispy, while homemade schnitzel sometimes turns out soggy or the breading falls off? Well, today I'm going to show you every little secret I use to make the crispiest pork schnitzel right at home. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get that beautiful golden crust every single time. So don't skip ahead, because I'll be sharing several important tips throughout this recipe, including one simple trick near the end that makes a huge difference. If you've never made schnitzel before, this is the perfect recipe to start with. Before we begin, if you enjoy easy homemade recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every week, I share simple, delicious recipes that anyone can make at home. And if you're excited to learn how to make the crispiest schnitzel ever, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel and allows me to create even more recipes for you. Now let's get started. Today I'm using pork loin. It's tender, flavorful, and perfect for schnitzel. If your pork slices are thick, simply cut them into thinner cutlets. Then place each piece between 2 sheets of plastic wrap or parchment paper. Using a meat mallet, gently pound each cutlet until it's about 1/4 inch thick. You're not trying to smash the meat. You simply want every piece to have an even thickness. This helps the pork cook evenly while staying juicy inside. Here's my first secret. Don't rush this step. A properly pounded schnitzel is one of the biggest differences between homemade and restaurant quality results. Once the pork is ready, season both sides with salt and freshly ground black pepper. I always season the meat before breading because I want every bite to be flavorful, not just the crispy coating. Now let's prepare our breading station. You'll need 3 shallow bowls. In the first bowl, add flour and salt and mix them well. In the second bowl, crack 4 eggs, add salt and black pepper, and whisk them until completely smooth. In the third bowl, add breadcrumbs. I personally love using Panko because it creates an incredibly crispy crust, but regular breadcrumbs work beautifully too. Now we're ready to bread the schnitzel. First, coat the pork lightly in flour. Shake off the excess. Next, dip it into the beaten eggs. Finally, press it firmly into the breadcrumbs. And here's another secret. Don't just sprinkle the breadcrumbs on top. Press them gently into the meat. This helps the coating stay attached while frying and creates that amazing crunch we're looking for. Repeat this process with every piece of pork. Once they're all breaded, don't fry them immediately. Instead, let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. I know it sounds like a small step, but this is actually one of the biggest secrets to keeping the breading from falling off while frying. While the schnitzels are resting, let's prepare the oil. Pour enough vegetable oil into a large skillet so it comes about halfway up the sides of the schnitzel. Now here's another important tip. The oil should be hot, but not smoking. If it's too hot, the breadcrumbs will burn before the pork cooks. If it's too cool, the schnitzel will absorb too much oil and won't stay crispy. An easy way to test the oil is to drop in a few breadcrumbs. If they start gently sizzling right away, the oil is ready. Now carefully place the schnitzel into the pan. Listen to that beautiful sizzle. That's exactly what you want to hear. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry 1 or 2 schnitzels at a time, depending on the size of your skillet. Now here's another mistake many people make. They constantly move the schnitzel around. Don't do that. Leave it alone and let that beautiful crust develop naturally. Cook the first side for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's deep golden brown. Then carefully flip it over and cook the second side. While these are frying, let me know in the comments. Have you ever made homemade schnitzel before? Or is today your first time? I absolutely love reading your comments, and I always try to answer as many as I can. Transfer the schnitzels to a wire rack or paper towel. Now look at that beautiful color. Golden, crispy. Exactly what we're looking for. Let's cut into it together. Listen carefully. Can you hear that crunch? That's exactly the sound we've been working toward this entire recipe. And look inside. Now let's plate everything. I'm serving my schnitzel over fresh arugula with roasted cherry tomatoes. The peppery arugula and sweet tomatoes balance the richness of the crispy pork perfectly. Then I like adding a spoonful of homemade chimichurri. The fresh herbs, garlic, olive oil, and vinegar brighten the entire dish and take it to another level. Thank you so much for spending time with me in the kitchen today.